On rare occasion, architects, designers, and builders will converge onto the landscape and create such harmony that instant masterpieces emerge. When Jim Frazier, Carson C., and Tom Crone are given control over a project, a masterpiece takes shape. Today, we would like to introduce you to one of those masterpieces, a true first opportunity and a chance to own one of Nichols Hills' timeless modern marvels. Welcome to 1508 Wilshire Boulevard.
I'm Jennifer Gerard Oliver with the Wyatt Poindexter Group and Keller Williams Elite Realty, and I'd like to invite you to take a look at one of the most sophisticated homes we have had the pleasure of listing. Originally built in 1978 and then recently and completely reimagined, this 6,807 square foot 3-bedroom home offers the best of modern comfort. Set in a peaceful sanctuary, the home wraps the pool and outdoor space and is an escape in the heart of the city. From the massive antique doors set behind a contemporary glass entrance to the light echoing onto the limestone floors, artisans touched every surface. Venetian plaster wraps around the curved walls at almost every turn, layering texture upon texture with the centuries-old French fireplaces, zebra wood bar, and stacked stone columns that separate the open living spaces. Walls of windows allow the pool to be enjoyed from every room, and every room is enjoyed with a neutral palette that is a feast for the senses. The kitchen is the center of the home and features beautiful, truly custom millwork not to be seen in any other residence. Free floating cabinets next to the handmade zellige tile wall are two of my favorite features. From dining to lounging to entertaining and relaxing, every space is designed yet flexible. An entertainer's dream, this home goes beyond design and into the realm of a piece of art. Thank you for allowing me to show you just a peek of the brilliance that is 1508 West Wilshire Boulevard.